What's going on? We're back on another one. Tonight we're going to head out to Wild Cattle Creek State Forest. My son's birthday, so we're going to go try and camp at the top of a 80-metre well-known waterfall. So let's go. All right, we're here. Weather has absolutely turned it on for us. Unfortunately not. It is raining, but there's flashes of blue sky around, so I don't know. Maybe there's hope. But yeah, it's probably going to be a rainy night. The waterfall's running good though. Let's go have a look. Oh, this rock is bloody slippery as hell, so just gonna have to be really cautious here. But we'll give you a look. See, as I say that, I'm gonna slip over. Yeah, so the weather, unfortunately, I don't think it's gonna be our friend this evening. It's all right though. We can just sit under the awning, just kick back, and then set up our swags later on. Jesus, it's slippery, but not going anywhere near the edge. Why? I'm not watching him. Pretty stoked to camp out here anyway tonight. I've never actually camped up here. Been here plenty of times. Been at the bottom plenty of times. So hopefully I can take the young fella down the bottom tomorrow morning if it stops raining. I don't know if you can see those clouds or not, but that looks ominous. Yeah, and if the rain pisses off, I can send the drone out and give you guys a better perspective of it. Might try and find somewhere to position this rig and then get the awning out so we can ride this rain out for a little bit. Oh, mate, bit of a rainbow and everything. Sun's just starting to poke its head out. It's good. Right, next mission is probably going to be trying to find some dry firewood, I think. Yeah, it looks like there's a fair bit of timber through here, so should be able to hack a fair bit of this up. Yeah, there's plenty. There's plenty. Might actually even be able to give the drone a quick fly at the moment. Let's have a crack, see how we go. No camping fees out here and no crowds. Perfect. The rain's held off for a few minutes anyway. I think I might go get a drink and sit here and soak up the last minutes of light.
You pick your weapon, and I'll pick mine.
Give us a wave, birthday boy. Not too bad, a bit loose. Probably tighten it up a bit. Yeah, it's the same deal as the last time. I'm not going to do too much yapping from here on in. Just going to enjoy the night and kick back and relax. So, see you in the morning. Yeah, it's a bit wet, but we'll see how we go.
You pick your weapon.
Not unhinged at all.
All right, good morning. Really nice bloody night last night. Rain held off for us, which was good. Didn't do too much, just sat by the fire and had a feed. So we're just packing up the rig now. Some canyoners have just rocked up. They're gonna abseil off the edge of this waterfall, which is crazy. You wouldn't bloody catch me doing it, but so I might smash a coffee, watch these guys, and then we're out of here. See you guys the next time.